Hello everyone. In this video I will show you step by step how to transfer out from your Worldcoin Vault using the World app. Start by opening the World app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, look for the Worldcoin section. Tap on it, and this will bring you directly into your Vault section. This is where you can see your Worldcoin balance and manage everything related to your Vault. Now, inside this section, you will notice an option that says Vault. Go ahead and tap on that. Once you are inside the Vault, you will see a few options available. One of them will say Transfer Out. This is the option you want, so tap on it to begin the process. The app will now ask you to select the amount you want to withdraw from your Vault. Take a moment to decide how much you would like to transfer out. Once you have chosen the amount that works for you, tap on Continue to move to the next step. At this stage, the app will show you a summary of the withdrawal. This includes all the details about the transfer, such as the amount you selected and where it is going. Read this page carefully to make sure everything looks correct. If everything matches what you want, then tap on Confirm Withdrawal. And that is it. You have successfully transferred out from your Worldcoin Vault. Thanks for watching.